Give it to me and I won't call my mother. Don't pull from the shirt.
The bird is outsmarting you, like I said before.
Watch you.
It's not working, I'm sorry. Oh shit.
Did the ball go back to the cage?
He's calling the attack call.
So the big one can stay over there. You stay over there, so the reply back, you can catch it.
That was smart. I know. No, that one doesn't fly away. Damn. Ah, shit.
Okay, I'm gonna fall down. I don't see what to do.
Vedo's gonna fall. Vedo's suiciding. Vedo's suiciding. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Vedo's suiciding.
You should have caught it, Sindhu.
Stay there. I'm not gonna get this shit.
This is a funny video. I'm gonna upload it on YouTube. I'm gonna upload this on YouTube. I'm uploading this on YouTube, by the way. Say hi. The bird is outsmarting you. You guys suck. It's like, come on, you can't catch me. Yeah, sure you did. They're like.
I just get back.
Be gentle, go slowly. You have to move slowly.
Oh.
No, not me. Leave me alone.
You're gonna make career in the bird.
So put that in the cage. Put that bird in the cage. Put that bird in the cage. No. Put the one Abhilash has in the cage. It's not a good idea for two birds to run around. What if you fall down on one of them? You can keep recording that? The non-stop?
Yeah, until 23 minutes. Say hi to YouTube. I'm recording it.
Welcome to 2007 Abhilash.
Welcome to 2007. Don't come here. Don't get the bird, then come back here. Ah, the thing.
Put the light on so it's...
No! She wants to put the light on. So
Do it again, come on. No, it won't.
Lights, camera.
It's going to be hard to do. Turn on the light bulbs. If it's going to be too hard, plants will die. You look scary, dude. The bird keeps running away.
Listen to what you get. Now I'm going to touch it on you. Too bad I can't zoom anymore, damn it.
Yeah, I touched it. Yes. Let's stop it.
Stop what? Oh, he's calling out a challenge. Like,
Hey, you should go try one.
huh? No, it's okay. I don't feel like trying. I'm not good with birds. Trust me.
It's the easiest way. Just do it. It's the easiest.
Your phone's ringing. You can't hide your face forever, Sindhu. All of YouTube know it soon. Oh, oh my God.
Two people. Sorry. Sorry.
What are you doing?
Hello?
What do you need to?
Hello?
It's been so
Sadi's partita.
It made a bomb. It looks like it never let go of it. Ah!
Hello?
Oi, how come you?
Ow!
Yeah, இப்பதான் சாப்பிட்டு போய் படுத்துட்டேன்.
Which one? The big one? The yellow one?
ஒரு 5 மணி போல. ഓർമ്മത്തിൽ ഉണ്ട് എനിക്ക് ഓർമ്മത്തിൽ ഉണ്ട് நீங்க யாரு ஜெயா ஓகே சொல்லிடுறேன் ஓகே பாய் Where's the bird? Where is it?
You chased it up the cage.
No, he didn't. You guys lost officially. Say cheese to YouTube. Come on. Come on, Sindhu. Turn around.
Say cheese to YouTube.
Come on. You guys lost to the bird. Say cheese to YouTube.
Seriously, look, it's hard to get.
I didn't water.
You're gonna need it, okay?
I'm go inside by the other way then.
No, you can't. So I have to.
How long you play?
You guys want me to try to okay?
No. You guys let it out. You guys got me.
You took it out. You
I'm pretty sure birds are that dumb.
I know.
doesn't know the entrance.
Turn the light on.
Whose Emerson is this?
My grandpa.
Sign up. I don't need to sign up.
Go inside, five times. Wait, watch it go in the other cage.
YouTube got you.
The moment I've been waiting for.
No, don't stop making that noise. It's not gonna go out. Yeah, I want to bed. What are you watching on YouTube?
That's how you do. Some website. I'm just going to Best Buy.
Alright, bye. You guys lost to the bird. That's the final ending.
Give it to me.
No, leave it. See what I do. Where is it going? You're going to see the other birds. Wanna take
It's climbing down.
Wanna do the park thing?
Give it to me. I can get it right now.
Really? You're gonna make it fly.
Give it to me.
It's right there on the ground.
I already got you like so many
Remote
times.
control thing, right? So I would shock its leg. I won't be able to fly.
Really?
Some big ones have those. I don't believe.
Are you gonna get it or not?
I'm not shy. You don't go outside.
It's shy. It's shy to go inside.
Well, Grand Theft Auto is $16.
What's $16?
Grand Theft Auto.
Stop being.
You want PS2 games?
Yeah. How much is the memory card you bought
Which memory card?
for the camera?
Bro, guys, come this side. It's too clear. That's
CC log with it?
What?
CC
How
log.
much gigabytes is it?
1 gig.
come this side. I will call you out. No, come
What
this
is it?
side.
I want you to come
Four
inside.
games?
Move over.
No, that's something else. That's for the computer.
No, you won't get
Photo, same thing.
No, not.
Yeah, same thing.
That looks bigger.
Don't worry, I will get
Small,
in
so I
trouble.
should do it. How do you need small?
I'll be sitting on this side. If you move it,
No, not.
the door will be like, no,
I just did.
Ah, you guys lost. Got you. Got you.